Woo-wee. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. 2019 is finally over. I hope you guys had a wonderful 2019 because I did. And now it's 2020. We're coming in strong, baby. Coming in strong. But anyway, hope you guys had a wonderful 2019. Today is the new year, obviously. And we're back again. Another broken car. Nah, I was kidding. Car's not broken. But anyway, 240's in the garage again. Well, it's not broken. But last night, I did some not burnout, but I was like gunning it around my street, and I was just revving it and then two-stepping, and I think I blew one of my coolant lines, so I gotta fix that. It's an easy fix. And what else? We're also gonna do my steering rack bushings. I don't know if you guys heard from the previous videos that every time I drive the car, steering will be straight, drive straight, and then once I hit a bump, it'll be crooked. So I noticed that my steering rack bushing was already shot, and yeah, so we gotta replace that. And also, I got a brand new front tires. Yep. So if you guys don't know, right now I'm running what is this? Where's the tire size? Where is it? Right there. So right now I have a 215 40 17s in the front. The back still has a 245, and the reason why I didn't lower the front more is because when I had the 245s, it was rubbing on the coilovers. So now that I got a brand new tires, which is a 215, we could lower the fronts more. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. By the way, the steering rack bushing that I got, it is from GKTECH. So GKTECH makes an awesome product. If you guys not familiar with GKTECH yet, they're specialized in 240, S13, S14, S15, and also R chassis. Specialized in like any kind of like modification when it comes to drifting. So I got the steering rack bushings. What's cool about this one? This is, by the way, a solid aluminum. I didn't go with the polyurethane because I heard bad reviews about the polyurethane, so I went with the solid aluminum steering rack bushing. It's because that the good thing about this, they pushes the rack a little bit more. So when with this bushings, when the rack pushes forward a little bit more, when it basically lines up with your steering knuckle. So sometimes when you do a steering knuckle mod where you shorten the steering knuckle, the tie rods doesn't line up perpendicular with the steering knuckle. So the good thing about this is when I do my steering knuckle mod, it will line up perpendicular. So I heard it moves like 5 millimeter forward. So as of right now, I won't really see any difference since I have a stock knuckle and I have a stock angle, so that doesn't really make any big difference. So let's so I got the car ready, but let's go underneath the car and let's remove the old bushings. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is my bushings. So that's, you can't see it like there. You can see it, it's already fucked up. Same thing with this. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the bolts and remove the old bushings. Holy shit, that shit's fucked. This was fucked up too. Sheesh. So this were the old bushings. This is probably from 1991. As you can tell, it's really fucked up. So yeah, finally we got to replace it, and hopefully fixes my issue. So it's a pretty simple install. I was struggling earlier to put on the bracket back. It's because the lines on the steering rack was on the way, so I can't put back the bracket, so I had to bend it just a little bit so I could put back the bracket. So very simple install. If you guys need some help, just comment down below and then I'll try my best to help you guys out. But yeah, we're just gonna take off the wheels and then start lowering the car more. So I already did the right side, and all I had to do is match it with the other side. So I did lower it down by 1.5 inches. So I'm gonna do the same here, and we'll see how good it looks. Lock it. Shit, way better now. There's still a big gap, but I'm pretty sure I could still go low, but I just don't want to lower it anymore because it might mess up my alignment. I mean, so the car drives solid now. There's still gap on the front fenders, so I could probably just go a little bit lower. So that's how it looks right now. So, and then it drives really solid now. Like, the steering wheel has less play now. Like, if you wiggle it just a little bit, it doesn't have that much play as before. And yeah, the solid steering rack bushing really helps a lot. Yeah, so all I need is a welded div and rear control arms and maybe angle, and we can probably start drifting this car. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, hit like, and also subscribe. Peace out.